I love the Stanley 40-ounce tumbler with the handle. This is my second one. I have it in cream, and now this is the black glow color. I love the color. Plus, I like that this one has the straw part where it won't leak, and you can also switch it if you want to have that open mouth or have it totally closed. Plus, the straw has a cool tint in the color too. Now, why am I obsessed with the Stanley? Let me tell you. First of all, it's 40 ounces of water, which gets me to drink water all throughout the day. Because it has that handle and that cup holder feature, I just take it with me everywhere I go, from in the house to in the car to wherever I'm going. When you work out, if you put it in a treadmill, it can fit in like the cup holder there too. So for me, this just really helps me to drink more water. Plus, if you add ice, 2 days of cold water or 11 hours of cold water. Plus, if you want to put hot beverages in there, it's going to keep your hot beverages hot pretty much all day long too, which is awesome. I pretty much use this exclusively for water. Like I said, it's my second one. I'm obsessed. They're the best. And I don't know, you're going to love it too. I'm telling you, you are going to love having a Stanley, and you're going to want it in so many different colors.